Welcome to Notebook LM powered by Google. This is an incredible free resource. Let's take a look. We're going to hit Create New. And then we're going to grab content from our Google Drive, something we want to just paste in, or we can take a link from a website or a YouTube video. We're going to look at a website about photosynthesis. So right now it's taking all the content from the website and it's going to summarize it and then provide me with options to create further documents that would help with study skills or executive functioning. I've already done that here, so let's go back and look at it. So it summarized the information here, and then it prompts me with some questions. I can ask the chat box to have a conversation about photosynthesis, and then I could also create some documents. So here you can see the frequently asked question document that it created, 8 questions all about photosynthesis and their answers. One of the coolest things is that it'll create a podcast for you, 2 AI bots talking about your subject. Let's listen to that.
I can barely make toast without setting off my smoke alarm.
Well, so instead of using a toaster, plants have this process called photosynthesis.
Right.
And it's basically
pretty great, right?